Randy Silver here, a special edition of Roaming with Randy. We're at High Society Cheesecake doing a blind taste test with Fiona and Marcus. I'm so excited. 9 flavors. Over under by the staff here is I'll get 7 right. I think I will get 4 right. Marcus, let's start. There's a crunch to that one.
Okay.
It kind of tastes like sorbet with a crunch.
Sorbet, that's an interesting...
That's not probably right. Can I get one more to try it?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm going to be so full when this is
Let me... Okay. Did you get any fluffiness in there?
A little fluffy, but I got more of like a crunch, like almost like a rocky road.
Okay. Oh, that's a good... That's a really good...
That was very fluffy. God, I want to say it was like a, I mean, Rocky Road isn't gonna have like a blue flavor to it.
Okay.
But it kind of tasted like I was like cotton candy Rocky Road.
Oh, I could see that.
And so
yeah.
I'm gonna go with cotton candy Rocky Road, something like that. Is that accurate?
That's wrong, unfortunately. However, we do have a clue for you. Think what happens after a backyard barbecue.
So the clue is what happens after a backyard barbecue. You have ice cream. You have a dessert ice cream, usually.
You're at the campfire.
That campfire. Oh, it's marshmallows.
Yes.
Marshmallows.
Yes.
So marshmallow s'more.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Well done.
So I was close though with the Rocky Road.
Absolutely.
With the flavor.
I think you were talking it out.
Talking out, but for the fans at home, we'll say I'm wrong on that one. You got to get it right on the first guess. That was not correct.
All right, I'm gonna take the spoon from you.
So number 1, marshmallow. Excuse me, a marshmallow s'more. Very good. I would get that again.
All right, where should we take you next? Ooh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, number 2, folks.
Number 2. We're gonna
0 for 1.
We're gonna take you on a flavor journey here today.
A flavor journey. Sounds like a rainbow. Oh, that's so good.
Would you almost say it tastes like home?
Does it taste like home? Maybe. I don't know what you're referencing.
Like, what do you taste? What are some flavors? What are?
So there was a crunch to it again. So
Yep.
kind of like the other one, s'more. So like maybe like crumbs in there, like cookie. Can I get one more? It
Yeah.
definitely was a bit fluffier than the first one.
I just want to make a note that you're asking for seconds
Yes.
a lot, and I like that.
Please.
That's a compliment.
Dude, I don't even know how to describe that one. There's a crunch there. You reference something home.
Is there a fruit? Do you
It
taste
does
the
fruit. Like it does taste maybe like a banana split.
Really?
Okay.
Split.
I'm wrong, aren't I?
You don't eat fruits often, do you?
I do. I have it all the time. I am wrong. So what's the correct answer?
Okay, you ready? Peach cobbler.
Peach cobbler. I never would have guessed that. Oh, because you're thinking Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Cobbler.
Taste of home.
Taste of home.
Maybe a little cinnamon. I'm gonna take that spoon for you,
Yeah.
Randy. Okay.
0 for 2. Third time's a charm.
Third time. We need to get you on track. So, this one
God,
is.
people are going to be hating me on social media.
Dude, they're gonna blast you, but we're gonna support you. All right, there you go.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
Wow, that one tasted like an icy, or like a shaved ice.
Okay.
That was much more creamier than the other ones.
Yep.
More juicy. I almost say that was like lemonade flavor.
Lemonade. Okay.
Can I do one more, please?
Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna get almost entirely cheesecake on that.
It's those pesky fruits again.
Yeah. I like that you guys keep it healthy with the cheesecake.
That's right.
Yeah, I want to say like, I'm getting a lemonade, but I don't think it's a lemonade flavor. I want to say it's not strawberry, it wasn't banana, it wasn't blueberry, raspberry. It was very just creamy filled. I'm gonna go lemonade. I'm gonna stick with my first choice.
Okay. Oh, a clue.
Lemonade's not a
Ouch.
fruit. That's a good
Harsh.
point.
Our clue for you is
We got the
tropical.
tropical. A pineapple?
Yes,
Pineapple.
you got it.
That's it. Pineapple
got
whip.
it. Pineapple whip.
Pineapple whip. So we're
Dude,
gonna,
you came through in the end. You came
I
through.
said lemonade though. I don't know if we give it to me. We'll
give you half.
we'll give me half. Okay, so the other owner
We're
is giving
trending.
me half.
We're trending, Randy.
All right, we got half. So we'll say I'm at a 0.5 out of 3.
I'm making sure you get a lot of action here in your sample.
I feel the sugar
Okay.
high coming.
I know, right? Seriously.
My blood's starting to boil.
There's a lot going on there.
Yeah,
I
that
love
one
it.
was very silky. It felt like there were like 3 or 4 different levels and layers to
Yep.
it.
Yep.
It was very creamy. Can I do one more, please?
Yep. Absolutely.
I feel like considering you're pulling the names out of thin air, you're not doing too bad.
Yeah.
Also, if I would have known this was happening, I would have done a better job researching the building before we started filming. Oh, there was a crunch to that one.
Uh-huh.
I want to say that's cookie dough?
Yes.
Oh,
let's
we'll give it to
let's
you.
give him that.
That's
It was
good.
The rookie. It was the brownie cookie cheesecake.
Brownie cookie cheesecake?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
Woo!
that's a solid W.
I can
That's
go-
a solid W.
I can go home happy. I think that one's my favorite so far.
Oh, good. Good. That is one of the most populars.
Yeah. Okay.
So we are 1.5 out of 4 with 5 to go. I'm on such a sugar high.
You guys,
I
dude,
can't
and
wait.
these samples are small
Yeah.
too.
You
Like,
guys are going to
these-
hate me. I'm going to be bouncing off the walls when this is over.
I'm excited for you to try this one, Randy.
If you don't get this one right, then
This one
Ooh.
You're not
It'll tell
Look at
us
that.
what kind of.
is, okay, ready.
I can't get. That's a clue.
It kind of tastes like coffee.
Yes.
It's coffee and can I do one more? It's
Yep.
coffee and something. I don't drink coffee. Like I legit don't
Okay.
ever have coffee. So for me to know it's coffee,
Yeah.
this is not one of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie.
No, that's okay, because you gotta like coffee to appreciate, you know, this profile here. I'm looking for one word specifically with that coffee, and it's a W for you.
It's a W for me.
Yeah.
With the coffee.
Yeah. So what do you taste with the coffee?
Whipped cream coffee.
Okay, but is it very sweet?
Unsweetened whipped cream coffee.
No, like is
Oh.
it very sweet? Is it pretty rich, sweet,
It's pretty rich.
maybe caramely?
A caramel coffee.
Yes.
Got it.
Salted caramel macchiato.
Salted caramel macchiato. I would never have guessed that.
Yeah, that one-
That is a very specific name.
Oh man.
Okay.
I'm gonna give myself half for that one because I got the coffee.
I
part.
like that.
That sounds good.
That seems fair to me. That was if you're a coffee lover though, I could see you really liking that. That was very silky smooth.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So we're at 2 out of 5.
2 out of 5.
Okay.
All right, I'm getting you dished up here.
My doctor's.
We had a lot of fun making this one. I think when you have this, you're gonna be like, oh.
I'm gonna
snap.
feel the fun in my mouth.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. Boom.
That one's very layered as well.
Uh-huh.
Very creamy.
Yes.
I don't taste the fruit.
That's good.
What's the first thing that hits? What's the flavor? Oh man, that is.
As a milk? Is it? I mean, it didn't taste like chocolate. So I wouldn't say it was like chocolate milk or dark chocolate.
Bro, it's black velvet. It is.
Black velvet,
It
yeah.
is so chocolate. It is chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
Oh, it's straight chocolate?
We call it black velvet because we're using black cocoa powder. So it is as dark of a chocolate as you can get without it being bitter, which is really, it might actually throw you off a little bit.
Yeah. So two out of 6.
2 out of 6. We are going to turn the corner here from chocolate.
This
I'm going to be really excited. This is one that nobody really knows.
based off of how I'm doing, this is gonna go great.
Yeah. All right, here we go. I love this flavor profile. I'll be curious to see what you have to say about it.
So that one was like, it felt like a cake.
Okay.
It was very thick, layers to it. I want to say it was like a lemon sorbet.
I think we give it.
Ooh, we're gonna give you that. Can we do one more little sample?
Yes.
Lemon sorbet.
Give
That's pretty
me
good for
all
this
the
one.
diabetes, please and thank you.
I'll give it to him.
Okay.
I think without knowing, I mean, because it's honey orange though. I'll give that.
That's good. I'm gonna stick with what I said.
Okay.
I'm probably a bit off though.
So it's our tie-dye cheesecake,
Tie-dye.
but it is with an orange zest in it. So you would have
Orange.
tasted the citrus
Got it.
along with the vanilla and the honey.
So it wasn't lemon, it would have been orange.
But I mean, after you bake it, it's going to be more of a citrus.
Got
So
it.
I think the team, we give them a solid on that.
I'll give you one.
Nobody knows what the tie-dye flavor is, right? Like, you don't have to be blindfolded for that one.
So 0.5 or 1?
We'll give you one.
Yes, yes.
All right, we're at 3 out of 7.
We're cooking.
I got 2 more.
You got 2 more.
I need 1 more to get what my over-under was of 4. I'm gonna go home and pass out from shit.
This is like 5 cans of Dr. Pepper. All right.
I don't drink soda, so that's a lot. That one's good.
There's going to be a lot going on here, Randy.
Yeah, there was a lot of different flavors.
So if you get even just 1, it's a dub. If you get 2, you might earn
Can I
a.
do 1 more?
Yep.
It's very creamy.
Yep.
I did feel the different layers.
Yep.
I don't think it's banana. I don't think it's blackberry, raspberry, blueberry.
Okay.
So we got the citrus, pineapple. No,
Yes. Yes,
it was.
that-
It was.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Pineapple. Pineapple kiwi.
Oh my gosh, that is so close. Oh man. He gets 1 for the pineapple.
No.
Okay.
He
That's
doesn't.
half a point for the
All right, she's giving you.
So it's the Miami Vice. So you
Oh,
would
you
take-
talked about it before.
So you got pineapple coconut and then strawberry lime.
That's unique.
So I was hoping you'd draw that coconut
Yeah.
out. I kept
Coconut.
giving you that coconut over and over and over.
This is tough. This
Randy,
is much
this is-
harder than I expected.
I feel like this is expert mode. Okay, this is the last
so
one.
we're at 3.5 out of 8. There's 9 total, so I need
Uh-huh.
to get half one here to hit the over/under of a 4.
All right.
Or
so,
technically it's a push because it's 4 on 4.
yeah.
So you got to get this one
I'm really
correct
excited
then.
for this. This
This
is
one's gonna be easy.
Please don't say
It's a layup.
It's gonna
Number 9.
Last one.
Last one.
That one's got some citrus again.
Yep.
Is this the one we just did, the Japanese?
No. No, but
Okay.
it's in the same lane.
Yeah, it's in the same thing.
in the
It
same-
definitely has like a lemon taste to it.
There you go. You got
So
it.
is it just lemon?
Lemon meringue.
Lemon meringue.
So,
So that's why I thought Japanese, because this one was thicker than the Japanese
Yes,
though.
yes.
And it was more creamy.
Yep. Yep. So hence your more traditional cheesecake, right?
Yes.
Dude.
So this is just a traditional lemon cheesecake.
Lemon meringue specifically.
Lemon meringue.
So if I could see your spoon real quick. The meringue is an Italian meringue. Okay, so this is just the meringue right there. No lemon. That's the part that makes it. It's very sweet.
That's
May
good.
have just a little lemon essence.
Yeah,
to
I almost like taste a little coffee in that too. I don't know
Oh,
why.
snap.
Maybe I still have it in my palate. That's why.
It. That's true. Randy, great job, buddy.
Yeah,
You don't have
that
to-
was well done.
You don't have to lie. So wait, before I take off the blindfold, what did we score me on that?
I would give him the point.
Yeah, whole point. The whole point.
4.5
4.5.
out of 9.
How are you doing
Made
today?
it. Folks?
Well done. Well done.
Oh my God, my eyes. Oh, my eyes.
You need sunglasses on.
This was the blind taste test at High Society. Check us out. We'll see you on the next episode. Oh my eyes.